GIT harbored many young talents and entrepreneurs in its magnificent arena. Today, we are privileged to have with us one of its distinguished former students and alumni of the university. So let's chat with him and know him better. Sir, could you please introduce yourself and please elaborate about the current field you are working in?
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Navneet Kumar. I have been with GIT since year 2003. So I am basically a 2003-2007 pass out student. I am from IT branch, and after passing out from here, I got a campus selection and I have joined Honeywell. I was with Honeywell up to 2016, and then I moved to Beckman Coulter. In Honeywell, I was primarily on the avionics side of it, basically dealing with the flight management system engineering. Now I am into a medical domain company where my responsibility, I'm basically, my current role is as engineering manager, and I deal with the system engineering side of it. My company manufactures the blood, basically the blood in vitro devices, which is kind of all the blood related tests. So I manage a team of both hardware and software. That has been my journey from 2003 since I took up engineering as my career.
So how do you feel coming back to the university again?
Yes, so after passing out in year 2007, I did not get a chance to come back to college again. I think I came only once to collect my certificate, and this is the second time I'm visiting, and I'm seeing a 360-degree change in the college environment. There's nothing which I saw in 2007. It's a completely changed. I don't know internally how the internal structure has changed, but by looking at the outside, I see there's a big change in the college.
So you were from the batch 2003 till 7. Of course, the campus has evolved a lot. So what all changes you have marked right now?
In terms of the campus, I see new buildings, I see new branches. When I talk to people, I see they are doing exceptionally good in the different field. I meet some of my friends, some of my juniors, and I see they are doing exceptionally good in their respective career. I see there are new branches coming up, new streams coming up, which is a big addition, and that's going to add more value to the education system in GIT, right?
So how did the university and your teachers help you during your placements, and what all advice you want to give your students?
Yeah, so it was year 2003 when I decided to join GIT. And you know, I mean, a young student just passed out their plus 2. There are a lot of thoughts and dreams in the mind, and you don't know like what you are going to do. And then I managed to get in GIT, and the moment I came here, I found the education system well focused. Everything what they wanted to do, a student and the management, was very focused. And what we wanted to achieve, from the day one only, we started swimming towards that. And I felt kind of lot of support from the faculties, from the management, and that any student in an engineering career will want.
So lastly, what is the message you want to give your juniors?
Yeah, so I am not a motivational speaker so that I can give a message to my juniors, but from my experience in last 16-17 years in the industry, I would say that the time when I passed out as an engineer, we don't even have access to internet. Now you have a lot of things to do, you have a lot of things to explore. You know that how industry works. You know you have different means to kind of get into a conversation with the industry, whether you're alumni or somebody in your personal space, so you know like what industry wants. So my message will be focused in what you wanted to do, and swim in only one line. Don't try to swim in multiple lines, and listen what your mentors, your college, your faculties are telling. If you listen to them, I think probably you will be at the right place.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure interacting with you.
Thank you so much.